Hello guys, you use more for Xiaomi 11T Pro. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay. Completion: adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, device made of glass and metal. On the back side triple camera LED, on the front side display 6.7-inch, power key on case, and downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card and speaker. Display 6.7-inch, full HD resolution, 120 Hz. Look, Geekbench 5 score. We have Snapdragon 888 CPU. Okay, and GPU Adreno 660. Results. Okay, look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark score. Okay, close this and run the my game Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device on the max graphic level. Okay, night, but game works very good on the max graphic level. Perfect gameplay. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera.